it going? Hope you're all well. I'm okay, thanks for asking. Today is the anniversary of the death of Robert Emmet, and Robert Emmet was a member of the United Irishmen, and in 1803 he was hung for his part in a failed rebellion. And during his trial, he made an amazing speech, and Thomas Moore wrote a poem about this speech, and the poem was then turned into a song which I'm going to sing for you. It's very short, but I just wanted to read the last part of the speech that he did because it explains the song and also it's just lovely. I have but one request to ask at my departure from this world. It is the charity of its silence. Let no man write my epitaph, for as no man who knows my motives dare now vindicate them, let not prejudice or ignorance asperse them. Let them and me rest in obscurity and peace, and my name remain uninscribed, until other times and other men can do justice to my character. When my country takes her place among the nations of the earth, then and not till then, let my epitaph be written. So this is the song. Oh, breathe not his name, let it sleep in the shade. Though cold and unhonored, his relics are laid. Sad, silent, and dark are the tears that we shed as the night dew that falls on the grass o'er his head. But the night dew that falls, though in silence it weeps, shall brighten with verdure the grave where he sleeps, and the tears that we shed, though in secret they roll, shall long keep his memory green.